Today we are going to learn the names of indoor games. Carom, chess, dollhouse, table tennis, snakes and ladders, Scrabble, cards, Ludo, building blocks, Uno, dice, hide and seek, marbles, gymnastic, bowling, weightlifting, judo, boxing, wrestling, puzzle, checkers, poker, bogle, hopscotch, darts, rock paper scissors, musical chair, shooting, truth and dare, Jenga, tic-tac-toe, Rubik's cube, video game, chopper. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe.